story of creation. In the first day, God separated the light from the darkness, and there was evening, and there was morning. In the second day, God separated the sky from the sea, and there was evening, and there was morning. In the third day, God gathered the sea at one place, and land appeared. At the command of God, the land produced different kinds of vegetation, and there was evening, and there was morning. In the fourth day, God created the sun to govern the day, and the moon to govern the night. He also made the stars, and there was evening, and there was morning. In the fifth day, God created birds to fly in the sky. He also created the creatures of the sea. Then there was evening, and there was morning. In the sixth day, God created the livestock, the creatures that move along the ground, and the wild animals. God also created mankind in His image, so they rule over creatures. And there was evening, and there was morning. God made everything good. And on the seventh day, God rested.